Economics. All right. In this class, we are going to consider the concept of profit. The concept of profit. We will look at what is profit, features of profit, types of profit, and the profit formula. Pay attention, you will enjoy this class. All right. What is profit? Now, profit is a financial gain earned when the total revenue exceeds the total cost. I will take that again. Profit is the financial gain earned when the total revenue exceeds the total cost. So in profit, you look at total revenue, right? You have what? Total cost. Pay attention. All right. So when the total revenue exceeds the total cost, profit happens. Are you following? You can as well say that profit is a reward for undertaking business venture and bearing the risk. That is what profit is. So if your total cost is exceeding your revenue, it's not profit. For profit to happen, your total revenue must exceed your total cost. Are you following? All right, that is profit. Let's consider features of profit. Number one, it is the primary objective of most business organizations. Most business what? Organizations. All right. Profit is the primary objective of most business organizations. Number two, it serves as a measure. It serves as a measure of business performance. Business what? Performance and efficiency. Yes. It serves as a measure of business performance and efficiency. Number three, profit provides funds for growth and expansion. All right, because the more profit a business makes, the more they can reinvest the profits. As a result, the business expands. Are you following? All right, so let's consider number four. Number four, so we can say number three is business growth and expansion. Number four is that profit increases the value of a firm or business organization and attracts investors. When a particular business continues to make profit, it becomes easier for investors, onlookers who are watching how the business is going, to bring out their money to invest. So profit becomes a marketing, a marketing strategy. If you want to market your company to investors, you show them what? The profit, your turnover over the years. All right, so these are the features of profit. Let's consider types of profit. Number one type of profit is gross profit. Number two is operating profit. Number three is net profit. All right, gross profit is the profit earned after deducting the cost of goods sold from sales. By the time you are done selling, you deduct the cost of the goods from sales. Are you following? What is remaining becomes gross profit. Operating profit is the profit earned from core business operations after deducting operating expenses. All right, let's consider net profit. Net profit becomes the final profit after deducting all expenses, including taxes and interest. Are you following? All right, let's consider formula for profit. Profit equals total revenue minus total costs. And the profit we are talking about is the final profit, which is the net profit. All right, we have been able to define profit, features of profit, types of profit, formula for profit. Now, with this class, you can be able to decipher if your business is making profit or not. Don't forget, the more profit you make, the more likely investors will come and invest your business. The more profit you make, the more likely you can grow. Profit is the primary objective of most business organizations. If you have learned anything from this video, share it. You can drop your questions in the comments. Bye for now.